Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a 15-minute full body Pilates workout. We're just going to get right into it. So starting off in all fours, coming to our bird dog position. So inhale your right leg up, exhale your left arm up. Take another inhale, exhale, bring your knee to your elbow, and then stretch again. Inhale. Exhale, stretch. When you come to the stretch position, make sure to keep your pelvis under, core engaged, so that you create a nice line within your body. And stretch. Crunch. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. We've got a few more after this, and then we'll come for pulses. Good. Now extend your arm after this one and your leg, and we're just going to pulse it up. So pulse the leg and the arm, breathing normally here, keeping that nice line within your body. Good. Release that hand back onto the mat. Bring your left elbow down to the mat, opening up your hip a little bit. We're going to do a little combo, so bringing the knee in, then stretching back, bringing that knee back in, stretching out to the front. So inhale, exhale. Inhale as you bend, exhale as you stretch. And trying to extend that leg as much as you can. And if you'd like, pointing your toe to really work that calf as well. Good. And last one. And then we're just going to bring that leg out to the side, keeping it bent. And then we're going to take pulses up. So pulse, 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 breathing normally here. Try to go a little bit higher if you can. You've got this. Hold. And now stretch your leg, then bring it down, turning slightly on that left knee, coming to a side plank, and then we're going to continue with our glutes. So bringing our hips down, then lifting our leg as we lift the hips up. So lift and down. Inhale, exhale as you lift those hips and the leg, going with the arm, but it's optional if you feel it's a little too hard to coordinate. Keep going, we're almost there. And up. And hold it, and we pulse it. Pulse, 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 just keeping your arms still above your head, but lifting those hips up. Breathe. And release down. And we're just going to come all the way onto our side, stretching both legs, laying our head on our arm, and just lift both legs up. And lift. Inhale, exhale, lift. Just working those obliques, so make sure your belly button is to the spine, engaging those abs. And up. And up. Keep going. Good, last one. Now bring your legs down. Release your left arm in front, bringing your right arm above your head. And we're just going to lift the top leg as well as the arm. And then back down. Inhale, exhale up. Abs are still engaged here. And just going at your own pace. If you need to take any of these exercises a little bit slower, please do so. And down. Up. Down. Inhale. Exhale as you come up. And up. Good. Hold. Release. And let's just come all the way up, bending our knees and coming for a nice mermaid stretch. So just stretching that side body, holding for a moment, catching your breath. And now let's just release. And we're going to take that all on the other side. So starting with our bird dog position, stretching our left leg this time and our right arm up. Inhale, exhale your elbow to your knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, crunch. Trying to engage your abs as you crunch. Inhale, exhale. Keeping that back hip turned in, pelvis under, and the nice line within your back as you stretch here. And last one. Now we extend both the leg and arm and we pulse it up. For 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing normally here. Keeping that nice line. Hip is turned in. Last one. And now release. Bringing that right elbow down now, keeping that leg lifted and a little bit turning your hip out, bending your knee close to the elbow, then stretching, bending again, then stretching forwards. Bend, stretch back, inhale as you bend, exhale as you stretch and extend that leg. And to always try to extend that leg as much as you can. And even pointing that toe if you'd like a little bit of a workout for your calf muscles. And stretch, bend, stretch, keep going. Coming for pulses soon. And now bend and pulse it, pulse it, pulse it. See if you can go a little bit higher each time. And hold, stretch your leg, and let's come to that side plank on the other side. Bringing your arm above your head, lowering down, and then lifting your arm and leg as well as the hips. And lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift, belly button to the spine. Last one, and now let's pulse it. Bring your arm above your head and pulse the legs. Pulse, pulse, pulse. You've got this. Breathing normally here. Hold, and now just release everything down, all the way onto the mat, stretching your legs, resting your head on your arm, and just lifting both legs. If you find this too difficult, you can just lift the top leg. And inhale as you come down, exhale as you come up. Keep going, working those obliques so abs are engaged. Last one. And now release your right arm in front, bringing your left arm above your head, and we're just going to lift the top leg and the arm. And then back down. Inhale, exhale up, keeping those abs engaged, and up. Release down, lift a little higher. Keeping your legs nice and extended here. Working those calves and your quads. And lift. Keep going. And that was our last one. Release down. Bend your knees and just bring yourself up, stretching your side body again. Reaching that arm. And now release. And just coming to a nice seated position, bending our knees, hip width apart. Inhale, reach your arms forward. Exhale, coming halfway into our C curve. Hold it for a moment. And then using your abs to lower yourself all the way down onto your back. So we're just going to start off with some classic crunches coming up and then back down. Our arms are going above our head and then we're going back up. Inhale down. Exhale, coming up. If at any time your neck is killing you, just bring your hands behind your head and just continue. And up. Inhale back. Exhale up. Keep going. We're going to do pulses very soon. And hold and pulse it. Pulse. Pulse, pulse. See if you can go a little bit higher each time. Breathing normally here. And release it down. Stretch your legs, bring your hands above your head, and just create a nice C curve in your back. So nice arch. And we're going to get ready for our double leg stretch. So we're just going to bring our knees up to our chest, almost. Our arms above our head. Inhale, exhale, lift our body, and then stretch our arms and our legs. Inhale, as you stretch and down. Exhale as you come up for that crunch. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, up into that ball. And up. And up. And last one, crunching up and just release down, getting ready for our next exercise, a little combo, lifting our body up, twisting our opposite elbow to the knee and stretching the other leg, then switch sides, then switch again, then pause on that side, lifting your leg up, flexing the foot, and then pointing as you bring it down, and then switch, switch, and then pause on that other side. Same thing, lift the leg up and down. Inhale, exhale as you twist. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, then exhale your leg up, then inhale again. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep going, flexing that foot up, pointing down, and twist. Twist, twist, pause, lift that leg up and down. Twist, 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 lift and down. Now get ready, we're gonna come just for those bicycle twists. So twist, 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 keep going. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You've got this. Hold, release, bring your head down, hold your knees, and then just stretch your legs and your arms again, arching in the back. Beautiful job, everybody. We're just gonna come all the way up, rolling ourselves to seated, and just take a nice stretch for those abs. So bring your legs back, drop your hips down, and let's just come for a nice cobra pose, holding, and then coming to our child's pose. And then release slowly, and we are finished for today. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!